what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute heart-shaped deco mesh wreath. What you will need: a heart-shaped wreath ring. You can even use a plain wreath ring and just add the chenille stems on yourself if you'd like. I have red and white deco mesh, and these are 6 inches in width. I also have some really pretty red and white glitter wire edge ribbon, 2.5 inches in width. Again, you can use whatever color deco mesh and whatever pattern ribbon you'd like. Just have fun with it. You also need scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. We're going to cut both the red and the white into 8-inch long pieces. I'm also going to cut the ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. This ribbon is so gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. So I have them all cut here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll them in sets of 3 or 4 and then start placing them on the wreath. I've cut 30 of the red and 30 of the white. Alright, so just to start it off and to give me a nice base, I'm going to just take the rest of the red that I have. I'm going to just roll it together, start at the bottom outer ring, and place it down a couple of times. We're going to do this all the way around. Making nice sized loops all the way around. And I'm not making the loops too large because this is just like going to be background to my other bundles. Then I'm going to connect the last one to my first one, but I'm going to unravel it first and then place it down and then close it back. Just like that. Alright, so I have that down. Now and you can put another round on the inner ring if you'd like. I don't think it's necessary. So I'm going to take my 8-inch piece and I'm going to roll it at a diagonal to make a nice pretty point, just like this. The other way you can roll it is like that, but for this specific project I want it nice and pointy and fun. So I have both of them rolled just like that, and then I'm going to take 2 pieces of ribbon that I cut, and I ribbon cut the end. The ones that have all 4 pieces, I'm going to just scrunch it together just like that. Find an open chenille stem, untwist it, place it down carefully, and twist it back. Then you can adjust it, modify it, whatever you need. Just like that. Have my 2 pieces. Going to roll at a diagonal so that I get a nice pretty point. Roll the second one at a diagonal, just like this. Take my ribbon, and this time I'm going to put one at the top and one at the bottom. Scrunch it, go to your next chenille stem, and place it down. I'm going to keep doing this all the way around the ring. Mixed it all up so it would just look really fun. And this is what it looks like. And the next thing that I'm going to do, again, with these Chanel stems, these are red and sparkly and cute. So of course I'm going to leave them out. I'm just going to curl them. If the Chanel stems do not match your color scheme, then of course just tuck them away. But here's what I'm going to do for mine, just because they're so pretty. I'm going to curl them with scissors or a pencil or whatever. Just like that. Show you again. Curl them and just keep them out. Now you can add a sign in the center that says Happy Valentine's Day or whatever you'd like. That's completely up to you, but I'm going to leave mine like this. It's just so cute and adorable and ready for Valentine's Day.